Did you know that over 80% of data analysts use Python daily? But most don't even know the libraries that make their work 10 times faster? If you're still doing data analysis the hard way, you're leaving results and money on the table. Today, I'll show you the 5 Python libraries every data analyst should master in 2025, and how they secretly power everything from Netflix's recommendations to Tesla's autopilot data. Whether you're a student, a beginner, or a pro, these libraries are your entry point into real-world data science. Let's break them down one by one, and I'll explain what makes each one powerful in plain English. 1. Pandas, the backbone of data analysis. Pandas is like Excel on steroids, but with superpowers. It helps you clean, filter, and manipulate massive datasets with just a few lines of code. Want to analyze a million rows? Pandas does it in seconds. That's why data scientists call it the Swiss Army knife of Python. 2. numpy, the engine behind the math. numpy is where all the heavy calculations happen. It turns Python into a fast, flexible calculator, running matrix operations, statistical analysis, and transformations that pure Python could never handle. Every AI model, every data pipeline, they all depend on numpy under the hood. 3. Matplotlib, turning data into stories. Matplotlib lets you see your data. Charts, graphs, visual patterns. It's how you spot trends that raw numbers can't show. From simple bar charts to complex heat maps, this is the library that turns data into insight. 4. Seaborn, beautiful data visuals effortlessly. If Matplotlib gives you the tools, Seaborn gives you style. It's built on top of Matplotlib, but makes your visualizations clean, modern, and presentation ready, with almost no extra code. One line can turn ugly data into stunning visual stories. 5. Scikit, the gateway to machine learning. Here's where data analysis becomes prediction. Scikit is the bridge between analyzing data and building machine learning models. You can classify, predict, and cluster, all without diving into deep AI math. It's the easiest way to start using machine learning in real projects. Want a bonus? Check out Plotly. It makes interactive dashboards you can share online. Perfect for projects, clients, or portfolios. The best part? You can master all these libraries, Pandas, numpy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit in less than 30 days if you practice daily. They're not just Python tools. They're your data analysis toolkit for the future. So the next time someone asks, what can you really do with Python? Show them your dashboard, your chart, or your AI prediction. Because with the right libraries, Python doesn't just analyze data. It tells stories the world listens to. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll keep breaking down AI and data science into real, actionable steps. No fluff, just value. Because the future of data is now, and Python is leading the way.